Okay, so now that we know there's two triangles, we're still going to use the law of sines, but we're going to have to do an added step with it. So since we know both angle A and side A, we're going to use that as one of our law signs. So we're going to do law, or one part of the law of sines. So sine A over little a equals, and we know side B, so let's see if we can find angle B. So we're going to do the sine of angle B over little b. Plug in what we know. We know sine of A, so A is 30 degrees, little a was 11. Sine of B, we don't know what capital B is yet, over little b, which is 17. We're going to do some cross multiplying. I wrote a little too big, so I'll have to jump up over to the other side. So cross multiply, we get 17 times the sine of 30 equals 11 times the sine of angle B. Now we need to check, or we need to keep solving for B, so we're going to divide both sides by 11. And at this point, I'm okay if you just get a decimal. So we're going to get 0.773 equals the sine of B. So this is where sine is positive. I'll come back to that in a second. All right, to solve for B, we're going to take the inverse sine of 0.773, and that should give us the measure of angle B. And after we plug that in, we end up with 50.6 degrees is our measure of angle B. Now I'm going to add a little subscript there. I'm just going to call it measure of angle B1, because that's one option. We're going to have to find another option. So think back to the unit circle. On our unit circle, that wasn't bad. Remember, the x is your cosine, the y is your sine. So if you're looking for positive signs, that'll be in the first quadrant and the second quadrant. Sorry, that got a little sloppy. So this angle that we just found, 50.6 degrees, is maybe here-ish. The other one is going to be its mirror image, or 180 minus 56 degrees. So to find the other measure of angle B, so we'll do measure of angle B sub 2, we're going to do 180 minus angle A. Oh, sorry, I wasn't thinking. So we're going to do 180 minus that angle, that other angle B that we just found, so 50.6. So the other option for measure of angle B we're going to get is 129.4 degrees. So far we've got two different angle measures for angle B. So that 50.6, that one would fit in like here. And the 129.4, that would be right here. All right, and we'll find the rest for C on the next one.